everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Kaylin, and I am Glitterati Glamour. So today I got a new palette. It's a mini from Morphe. It's the 9D Painted Desert palette, and I wanted to open it and kind of play in it with you. Last week you saw me play a little bit, I mean not very well, but a little bit with the Milk Makeup Bronze Matte Bronzer. It's like a cream. I actually have it right here. So if you want to see that, be sure to check that out too after this video. So it comes in bubble wrap, thank God. And it's very sleek. Morphe's palettes are always very, very sleek. I saw this in the stores and I thought it's a really nice nude palette. It comes with the shade names on it. I just took it off the mirror. And I thought we could play a little bit with it. I know I just did a neutral shades video. If you haven't seen that one either, you should go check that out. But I think we're gonna try and do like a sunset-y type look. I think I want this red here and like this orange and this kind of yellow looking. I think we'll just play around a little bit and see where it takes us. But yeah, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna grab my JS12 Jeffree Star X Morphe brush. I really like this brush to get into the crease. And I think I am going to put this shade, what is it called? Shade Horizon in the crease. It's very pigmented. I'm gonna use this as my mirror. Ooh, okay, so it's definitely got some payoff. There's a little bit of fallout in the pan, but that's okay. I'm not too bothered by it. My eyelids are primed, by the way, with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I tend to do it prior to starting filming, just because it kind of gets it out of the way. You don't really need to see me priming my lids. Next, I'm going to grab the JS13 brush and dip into shade Panoramic. It's this like yellowy orange shade down here. And I'm going to put that up. Whoa, that's a lot brighter than I thought it was going to be. But that's okay. We're just going to blend that into the crease and up the brow bone. I was just taking this big brush to kind of diffuse it a little bit. I didn't realize it would be that pigmented, and maybe I'll take a little bit of a fluffier brush. I'm going to take the back end of my Anastasia brush. It's a little bit wider, and I want to see if it kind of diffuses it a little bit more. Little brushes have a tendency to show off more pigment, which is great if you want more pigment, but that being said, I am more looking for kind of like a sunset look, so I'm going to pop a little bit more orange in that crease, just because I feel it's not as bright as it was. Okay, so that yellow is in there. Now I think I'm just going to grab this end and I'm going to dip into that red High Temp is what it's called, shade, and I'm going to pat it on the higher end of the lid, closer to the crease. So now I have a little bit of an opening in on my lid, and I want to just grab a flat packing brush of some kind because I want to dip in to this shimmer shade. What's it called? Awestruck. And I want to put that right in the middle there on that lid. I'm going to take this Morphe brush and I'm just going to, because it's small. Ooh, Ooh, it's very creamy. I'm just kind of putting it on the lash line, kind of to like emulate the sun. Now I might take this shade here, Vista, and I think I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna put on a little bit of eyeliner really quickly off camera and do my mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, and I'm back. So, I'll address the elephant in the room. I sneezed and I got my eyeliner on my eyelid. Great. So, I really like these. Maybe I should pop on a little bit of lipstick. I'll just do this quick shade. Okay, so now that I quickly popped on a liquid lip, I'm going to swatch the shades I did not use. They're very creamy on the fingers. I guess I can do it here. That is Photo Op. Ooh, the mattes are really creamy. Overlook. Oh yeah, that feels so nice. Bucket List. I don't know if you can see them on camera. My monitor kind of turned off, so. And Scenic. So that's what they look like. I don't know. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. They're very nice. Morphe always has some beautiful shades and things that go really well together. For a neutrals palette, I think it's really pretty. I think it does its job. I think this is an okay look. Other than me messing up my eyeliner, but it's fine. We don't talk about it. I think it's good quality. I think it's, if you wanted a neutral shadow, you could, and you don't want to buy a huge palette, it's a really nice one. But I am going to go. I hope you all enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, tell me anything. If you have any suggestions for any new videos, please let me know. I'm always looking for suggestions. I post a lot on my Instagram at glitterati_glamour. So please follow me on there. I would love to have you as my friend. Every follower is my friend, so come be my friend. On Twitter, I am at glitterati_glamr. You'll see it here somewhere. It's over here or something. I always put it on the screen. If you don't want to look at the screen, it's in the description below, as well as every product I use in every video. Anything else you want to know, comment, DM me, I don't know, tell me anything. I would love to hear it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all.